Why are you not a fan of Kuami Eugene too?
I mean, I did the tribute to Kiddy, so it's normal that I'd mention Kiddy.
But the way you say now I'm a friend to Kiddy, or is it because Kuami Eugene said this about you? That's why you don't want to give him any props.
When you're plugging it, and you're with now Kuami Eugene was Kesa, right? No Kesa no. You are both on. When they went to me, Saligali,
Media one and one.
No more shock you, but when we need be at this time. And the Wabani lifetime achievement.
I'm finding now, Mr. Drew.
Mr. Drew, we need baby. Korea, you mean the idea in the
Oh, brother.
Some plaques in a view.
No, is it because he thinks you've taken his shine?
I don't know, but you know, funny thing, I think that this video is from way earlier before he went on the other radio station to go talk. I think this is way before.
I know.
Yeah.
I know very well.
Say we can't start and I'm saying okay, and they say ne diagro. So
moody agrobe na moody.
Say me na say anka normally no. I think that he was supposed to take that, and they gave it to me. So
okay.
He was like, some muti. Or say, and the mufama Mr. Drew Afa awards ni na sisi ade oble na den. So I heard, I was like, oh, cool, okay. So that's the game we're playing. That's fine. So I went on FM.
Okay.
Yeah. And then Mr. Abeku Santana was like, uni Eugene area and I'm like, oh, they be on no start here because I thought it was, you know,
it was a game.
Yeah, like and I didn't even take it personal. Because when you listen to the interview, at the end, I was like, I think that is just creativity. Nobody's stealing anything. But later, and I mean, who said, Wako hits, Wako reply, say, he's new and then blah, blah, blah. He wants attention. I was like, but Eugene.
Yeah, I think I saw that headline.
Yeah, I was like, wow. But you came to hit at me with this whole song theft thing. So I don't understand. But yes, still, I want to say that I don't need his attention or anything. Because when you look at what I'm doing and what he's doing, it's quite different. He says he's doing high life, I'm doing Afrobeats, right? And then what I'm looking at, I doubt that he's looking at that same thing. You understand? We want to break through, we want to reach a particular market, and I think that he's also doing something else, and I respect him for that. You understand? But I don't need his attention.
So did you find that statement disrespectful to your brand?
Oh, not at all, not at all. I mean, he's freeing his mind. Same way I can come here and free my mind. If you're saying I'm new, everybody loves new stuff, and I don't mind if you tell me I'm new. It's cool.
No, the fact that he thinks you want to use him to get some attention. That's what I'm not a new thing.
That's what I'm clearing it right now. Saying I don't need his attention. What I say? Nobody. The American and the audience entirely. So why would I want his attention? What we are doing is quite different. We are reaching different markets. So why would I need his attention?
He thinks you are also noted for song theft.
I know there's some microphone. So if they are mentioning my name and they are mentioning your name, take it like that and move on.
So you two are noted for song theft in our music industry, Mr. Drew and
I'll say this: nobody steals. We haven't been stealing any song. It's just creativity. We are just being creative. That's all. Nobody has been stealing any song. So yeah, song theft and the money free conversation. But on only the end there, I don't need his attention. You understand? And I believe that Damian is quite different from what he's doing. And Charlie, just do you. I'm gonna do me, Charlie. And I love his songs. I love the new one as well.
I know.
Big shout to him, Charlie.
I know. So now that you are saying Kiddy is your friend, should you go to Links and you meet Kuami Eugene? How would the vibe be like?
Oh, I think that it will be funny because it will be funny. I honestly don't know how to react. I don't know. It will be funny. Like,
would you say hi first?
Me, I don't know. Unless I meet him, I don't know.
No, but I'm sure you would have to know what to do because yes, one day you would surely meet him, maybe backstage, even if not at
it depends on my mood at that time. If I'm happy, oh, why not? And maybe it's like a performance and we all see each other. Oh, bro, how far? Everything cool. But I don't think it's that deep. It's not that deep.
Yes. So if you are happy, you open up. But if you are not,
my ex that day need ya.
Obey you any man. I see. That is interesting. Mr. Drew here. Say again?
I'll say me a new.
Yeah.
And me danasi. We like the new now. We want it.
Is it expensive getting Mr. Drew on a feature?
No expensive. No, not that.
So like how much?
Oh, it depends. If the song is nice, we can reduce it for you.
Reduce it to what level? Because I've heard people talking about artist charges for features, and Charlie, sometimes some of them some way Charlie like cutthroat prices. You hear some of them and you go like, oh Charlie, 8 bars, 16 bars now, OG cash you see. And I know you are one of the fantastic singers around. That's why I'm asking that if someone wants Mr. Drill. Okay,
so I think that for like a mainstream artist or somebody who's like on my level, or I wouldn't. Maybe I wouldn't charge, or we'll just do like a split, with the royalties and stuff, and publishing and stuff like that. But like say me charge it there. But if you are, underground and your work demands more work from me, then maybe ubetia. Sorry, ubetia baby.
What is on this mic today? All the people on this mic. All the people on this mic. Something is not right with this mic. but Drew, I also think that why are we not turning it the other way around? So the new guy coming up, he doesn't have much like that. He also needs your attention more than the guy who is on your level. So why are we not turning it upside down rather?
Okay.
Yeah, someone's phone is ringing and it seems to be in. Okay, Jata. Okay.
Yeah. That's also a nice idea, but some of the songs, Bibrina, heading like Ube, but on the Nipana or me level, and I say like when you hear the song, you know that Charlie, this is good. But most Bibrina a bano from the upcoming. I don't have a problem if the song is nice. That's why I said I'll reduce it.
Oh, I see.
You understand? But if
okay, so
and when I say I reduce,
so most of you,
it.
no, I'm getting a point here. Most of you charge because of how sometimes poor the song is, knowing the stress you go through in doing it.
Charlie. Some of them, and then don't worry when you tell them that the song is, you need to bring another song. Be like, no, and one I'm a pay. You can't go and.
You have to quote some price.
Charlie.
Sometimes let him even run away.
But still. So you just have to do it for the person.
I see.
Yeah.
At what point does your label decide that, okay, Creamy and Mr. Drew come on a joint? This time around, everyone goes solo.
Honestly, I think that it depends on the artist. If we both want to work together, we can. It doesn't really depend on the label. It depends on the artist. If Creamy feels like we have to work, or if I feel like I have to work with Creamy, we just do it.
Oh, so you guys decide when you want to come together on a song?
Yes.
It is not the label that decides that, okay?
No, the label has a say, but like everybody has, like
their priorities.
Yeah. Everybody has like a say in everything.
So sitting here right now, I know you've written so many songs. Do you have some songs that in your mind you think Creamy should be on?
Oh yeah, multiple songs.
Okay. I
was actually thinking of putting Creamy on this year.
And what happened?
I just felt like I needed a rapper instead, because two singers on a singing, like it's more singing.
But you guys have done magic before, so whether
there was a rapper on the song, you understand? So we balanced it.
Okay. What? So you think you two, it will be difficult for you two to be on a song for it to make a hit?
Oh no, it won't be difficult at all.
Because your explanation makes it feel like.
No, I'm talking about this year, the particular song. You see how it's like.
And I talked about the other one. He said no because there was a rapper on it.
No, but see, me working with Creamy wouldn't be a problem at all.
No, I know it wouldn't be a problem, but
it will be very easy.
It will be very easy for us to get a hit out of you guys.
Yes, very easy. Very easy.
A singer to a singer. And now people are also trying to help with the differentiation. Initially, it was difficult for them. But now I think it is becoming clearer. Yeah, when they hear Creamy, they know this is Creamy. When they hear Mr. Drew, they know this is Mr. Drew. And so let's hear more of you, because when you guys come together, I'm a fire.
from January to
that one is true.
Yeah, it's like the person never worked. It's serious.
So I know some people who only release their songs from the 6th month.
You see,
because they know when they release it before June, everyone will forget them. So from June, July, August, that's when they release the songs, knowing that awards for neighbor to be recognized, and also for the events, Christmas event, they can also play as well.
But now, we have enough songs, so we release from January to December.
Let's do this last conversation, so we listen to the new song. As an artist, sometimes do you sit down to think about the structures you are operating in, knowing that Charlie royalties say, promotion say, does it disturb you sometimes?
Oh, media every day. Every day I think about it. Every day. Every day. This is something that I and my team think about all the time. Royalties, like, Charlie, is that bad? Is that bad? And then they're like, hey, but if my songs are being played on radio, let's say 5 times a day on just one radio station, imagine the money I could be making if like we're getting our royalties and stuff like that. You understand? And sometimes it's just sad because the fame doesn't match the amount of money. You understand? It doesn't match at all. And like, Charlie, boys who walk street, you for sort them. Boss, you blow. Boss, you sort me something. Everybody wants you to sort. Meanwhile, Charlie,
you know they work like that. Does it discourage you sometimes?
No. I feel like it's gonna work.
Or better still, let me put it this way: does it put fear in you that, Charlie, if after all the fame, the drill, the blah blah blah, if maybe you go extinct small and there's nothing to show, to be some way?
No. That's why I'm thinking smart. I'm trying to invest in stuff and all that, so that at least you know that
you'll be cushioned.
Because Charlie, the structure is there.
I see. So have you started some investment already?
Oh yeah.
In which area?
Farming.
Hey.
Yeah.
You have also ventured into farming. So what are you growing or what are you rearing?
I know the moving nenka.
I don't pass your betty says yeah. Wakoto a pigs na.
I know cry as cow umpa.
Mate. Mate. Yes, some did some more. And also pesca the bishop.
The thing is, almost DBPR until I'm wearing shadow here. They eat anything.
Mr. Fossey. Mr. Fossey.
They chop everything. Like cabbage, everything, like just cabbage.
But if you don't feed them right, I hear they will die. So if that is what you are doing, then make sure the caretaker is the right guy.
Don't worry. We go do them correct.
Correct. Who played the beat for the new one, Mood?
Beats Vampire. I think he's produced a number of songs for Shatawale as well. Amazing producer. He's worked on my album, my upcoming album, and you're gonna love it. Trust me.
Are you guys tired of KOS beats?
No. Not at all. How can you be tired? He's also on the album. He has songs on the album as well. So so there's an album coming that Kewa has songs on. Okay, because sometimes I like the way you change through, but I ask, maybe I'm a break. Bang. Not those. And no, it's a special spice. And then be mama one be not.
No much and they're highly spiritual. A bow is a bow.
And one ubeti.
So you go. This is the new one. The old drone one. Mr. Drew, his new song, his story so far, Kofi. Quick one. Maximum 2 minutes. Let's save time.
I like the level of passion he has for his own music. Even when he's singing it to himself, you know, I like the fact that he loves his work. And autonomy and that energy doesn't come easy.
There are some artists, they sit in the studio, you play their own songs and they are still sitting there. But it's the moment his song drops, poof, like it is my song.
And I also like how he relates to his fans and the people out there. And in fact, that is one trick that if he continues will really make him more, super big. And I always say that's one advantage Shatawale has over many others, which gives him, you know, when people feel that the person they likes them back and they are able to have access with them. And I see that I don't know whether it's a conscious effort or strategy or it's just something that happened by the way. business, the thing you're doing with the TikTokers, is it something that's a one-off thing, or you consciously using them as a promotional tool?
Oh, I think that they've always been supporting my music, right? So I decided to actually meet them and then thank them, and then that was it. They just took the song.
You know what I mean? I was just saying how
to link up with their fans. Yeah,
that thing. If it's something that I think will really help him, because I mean these TikTokers are stars. So TikTok fraternity, a whole industry,
just a whole community on it.
That's what I mean. The kind of energies they exert, the kind of following they have, you have no idea. And they are a controlled group. They've been able to bring themselves together to form some sort of group, and they move
agenda.
together.
Yeah, they push agenda.
They are able to push agenda, and they are forced that even how they put themselves together. I think for a musician like him, the reason I asked is that I saw a lot of them do things with his music. And I did see him meet them in one of the videos, and I was just saying that this guy is smart, because there are a lot of songs that have become popular or that have trended because of TikTok. Even Justin Bieber's songs is TikTok. Even in America, a lot of them, even UK especially, a lot of them.
Even recently, I think this guy's one of his old songs. It started trending from Nigeria, where the actresses were using it.
Nero song.
Yes, Nero X song. Yes.
Yawa Day.
Yeah.
Into TikTok one a whole year, and I'm glad that he's exploring it. And I think that he should make a conscious effort now to use them even more in promoting. But his energy levels amazing.
Thank you.
Even one of his songs, I heard it from Haji Abintu. Because I'm an ardent fan.
What are you a fan of? Is Haji Abintu a musician? Is she an actress? What are you a fan of?
We have the Bintu.
What are you a fan of? Be a fan. Continue to be a fan. Haji Abintu for real.
I think I heard a song from her, from one of her. Which song? That particular one. That's a nice song. A nice song.
Had you been to the mountain?
So I don't know GH.
Nice song. Let's move on. Since Brad Sammy has denied the fraternity,
No, I've not denied the fraternity.
Denied the
always
fraternity.
A cheerleader.
Shout out to one ardent believer also. The CEO of Kigali Hotel.
Humphrey is my friend.
So an ardent believer of the fraternity. We know ourselves.
He's a Bintusian.
But Mr. Drew is a serious musician. I mean, when he was singing, did you notice now we initial song?
Yeah. You put out yeah.
Because now normally you be better not on you could hear clearly the difference between the voice and in Jumna yet. But now
the record.
So I thought he was just opening his mouth on top. I mean, the voice now singing one is the same as the voice on the record, and I think that's a very good one. He has a very sweet and
enchanting voice.
Very, very nice voice.
Thank you so much.
His dance moves also set him apart. So he should consider.
And how does he do it, Emma? Because because we're a young guy.
Easy, boss.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Hey.
Anna networking in yet.
Yes, yeah,
and Jumia manager, I fell in love with the song when I saw the video actually, and the video like share video now her artists and then the coding.
No, the girl,
as an artist, and you feel like wow, I deal with it. Maybe I'm saying me, Gina, no.
Yeah, now I'm Sakakra. Because you massive video na achi hona say okay beti nyanka ya onye skills bi kakra na fa end video no yay uni abre
nya iri be try am there you bet me
I know right
and like on raw overall no I can say he's an amazing artist. There's never been a way I'm mashing it twice like mashing and I met you and me person making sure. And ever since I heard from him, it's been up. And I think the sky is the limit.
Thank you so much. Good morning to you, Dela Butri. He's also saying nice song from the guy. Thanks, legendary Dela Butri. Good morning to you. Yes, Adam, let's wrap up the show.
Well, Sammy, I will say that Mr.
Talk to your mic, yeah.
Mr.
Drew, yeah.
It's a testament of hard work. You know, we were here in this studio when he came, that was last year, to come and unveil this year. And you know, within a very short space of time, the song was everywhere. You have between 2020 and 2021, Let Me Know, right?
Yeah.
You have Let Me Know.
Later. It's featuring Stoneboy. And this year, Medical.
The trouble song.
Yeah. And now the mood. Within this short space of time, he has about 4 or 5 songs, which are big in this country. It tells you that indeed something has gone in. He's not sleeping. He's working hard in the studio. You know, it is something inspirational for young artists that you always need to strive for success. And with what he's doing, getting things right, I feel that if he consistently stay on the path, you know, the sky will not even be his limit. He needs to work hard, and even push himself further, because he has it and he needs to give it. So, Charlie, this new song, Mood, you know where I am now. When we drop this song, the way people sing along,
where you've been going to every weekend, that your voice is even gone on a Tuesday morning.
You know, it's been 4 straight days.
Yeah, Saturday, a long weekend. I know.
So the song has already caught on. So he needs to just give it the fire, because it's going already.
Okay.
So big shouts to the team. They are working hard, and the artist himself. And it should be an inspiration to every up and coming.
Thank you so much.
Space of time.
All right.
He's done well.
Yes.
You know, big shouts to Lordia. You know, she's watching us. You know, big shouts.
Lordia. So now ask Mr. Drew the question.
That's what I'm saying. Go say fine guy, young guy. To say I know you
Mama Kwan.
What's I hitting? Person say I'm planner. Do you have a girlfriend?
Kofi Bisaniye.
Are you dating?
Daddy, and also a wrong way of asking it. Mama teach how to ask. How to ask these type of questions. Mr. Drew, so how are you handling your female fans? That's how we ask some of these guys.
If you're not a girl, then you're a fan.
No, you put it that way. Oba no follow ups. Are you dating? Because no.
Okay. Okay.
So Kofi, ask
are you dating in Kabeyano?
So
how are you dealing with women?
Good. Good. You are a good student. Put your hands together.
The dealing there. It's not easy. I would say that pressure will, but we try our best. And
to or not to.
Best to make everybody happy.
Pressure more than
So how do you make the women happy?
By posting their videos.
Which videos? I'm not talking about your fans, women in your life.
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about fans.
No.
He changed the question.
Yeah. How do you deal with the women in your life?
I just manage.
You manage. So how many do you manage? Are you able to manage? As at now.
Sorry, but I can't answer that.
Hey, but you manage them. But you're able to manage them. Okay. I think he has answered our question. He's able to manage them, but he can't tell us the number.